Yeah, hello everyone. We are Group 4 and we have taken automobile as our industry and we'll be discussing the innovation audit framework of Tesla Inc. in this. So, first coming towards what is innovation? Innovation is much more than just generating new ideas. It is improving on or making a significant contribution to something that is already being invented. When we talk about innovation, it is a combination of creativity plus commercialization. Now moving towards innovation audit framework, this framework consists of a cube of 108 blocks, whereby each block represents a unique combination of nature, field, and locus of innovation. These nature, field, and locus of innovation will be explained in detail in the subsequent slides.
Okay, so I'd like to start out by explaining the types of innovation, the various types of innovation. There are a multitude of them, and I'd go by them one by one. Design and marketing innovation is the first. This describes changes in packaging, pricing, or any other marketing strategy. Product innovation, this is something which you are very familiar with. There is development of a new product or there is improvement in an existing product. Service innovation, so it is a similar thing. You create new services or you add new benefits to existing services to improve the value provided to customers. Then we move on to market, customers and channel innovation. Creation of a new channel or tapping of a previously untapped market is this kind of innovation. Moving on further, we look at technology innovation. This is something which has come into being in the late decades of the 20th century and the 21st century, and development of a new production, service, or distribution technology. This is purely tech-based. Process innovation, so implementation of a new or significantly improved process or delivery method. Management innovation, modification in organizational structure or the way management functions. This is a very macro level innovation. Business model innovation is something which is even greater scope. It explains creation or reinvention of the entire business or the way the business is, the way the business functions itself. Now I'd like to explain the nature of innovation as propounded by Professor Clayton Christensen. Sustaining innovation refers to improving existing products. It does not create new products, but develops existing ones with better value. This is something which is carried on by mature companies, and a lot of money is spent in R&D labs of these companies for sustaining innovation. Efficiency innovations help to companies to make and sell mature and established products to the same customer at lower prices. Now I'd move on to the most important of all, disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation takes place in simple applications at the bottom of a market. That is, it's generally newer and smaller players, and then they move relentlessly up market and eventually displace their established players, and they become the new market leaders.
Now talking about locus of innovation, it incorporates small groups, project, organization, and business ecosystem. We will first talk about small groups. A group of people not related to any organization come together to innovate. This incorporates the small group. Talking about the project, innovation is done while working on a particular project of a particular organization or of a particular company. Now talking about the organization, innovation is done on an organization wide scale and bring changes to the entire organization. Now talking about business ecosystem, this is a kind of innovation that changes how an industry functions.
So talking about Tesla in terms of innovation audit framework, founded by a group of engineers in the year 2003, Tesla's objective was to produce electric cars which were faster, better, and sustainable without compromising on the driving experience. Tesla believes that the faster the world moves towards zero-emission future, the better it is. Tesla's mission statement is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, whereas its vision is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. With its cutting-edge technology, Tesla launched its first car Roadster in the year 2008, which could run approximately 400 kilometers on a single charge, and its performance was comparable with that of several gasoline sports cars. Tesla launched its Model S sedan, which was one of its kind in every aspect. A hybrid of safety, performance, and efficiency, Tesla Model S had set the benchmark for the longest range of any electric vehicle with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in a time of just 2.28 seconds. In the year 2015, Tesla expanded its business in the sports utility vehicle segment by introducing Model X, which was considered the safest, quickest, and most capable of SUV. Later in 2016, Tesla launched a low-price variant Model 3, and subsequently it launched the safest and most comfortable truck, Tesla Semi, which aimed at reducing owner's cost in terms of fuel. And in the year 2019, Tesla introduced Model Y and a mid-size SUV and Cybertruck with better performance. So talking about nature of innovation, Tesla undoubtedly disrupted the automobile industry globally with its innovative technology. Disruption is a process of creating a new market, either by destroying an old market or by significantly transforming them. What is unique about this disruption is that Tesla has disrupted from above. That is, it has started by rolling out premium products which are more expensive and more capable than the mainstream market products, and which are expected to get cheaper over a period of time due to their downward sloping technological cost curve. So why Tesla is a disruptive innovation? A Tesla e-vehicle runs on a lithium-ion battery, the same which is used in smartphones and laptops. Additionally, it can be charged with using the same electric socket which is used to charge the electronic devices. As mentioned by Professor Tony Seba, a Tesla e-vehicle is a tablet running on wheels. Tesla has also disrupted the industry in terms of business model innovation. Tesla has its own charging station that are capable of charging batteries by 50% in 30 minutes. Moreover, Tesla offers infinite warranty for 8 years to customers and allows them to charge their vehicles at Tesla charging stations for free. Thus, this disruption has led to significant cost saving for Tesla owners in terms of fuel maintenance and replacement.
Now moving towards the Tesla's locus of innovation. Tesla's locus of innovation is business ecosystem. To start with, electric vehicles are not new. It is, in fact, the first electric vehicle came into existence in the year 1882. But the kind of technology that Tesla is using, automation, software, and other newer technologies to make its electronic vehicles better. If now we see Tesla, it is just sustaining its already made electric vehicles by adding newer and newer features to it. In all, what we see is that the entire infrastructure set up by the company, like the charging points, charging stations, technological development, is changing the whole of the business ecosystem that automotive industry is right now. All the companies involved in this industry are now evolving every day and setting new standards for their electric vehicles.
Tesla's types of innovation. So I will be discussing about Tesla's 3 types of innovation in this: industry innovation, business innovation, and design and marketing. So if we see, Tesla creates undeniably revolutionary items, including a line of electric cars that defy customer standards, such as the Model S, which is billed as the safest and quickest car on the road. So Tesla is also dedicated to game-changing technology, such as its fast charging, long-lasting batteries. One of the main reasons for Tesla cult following is its unwavering dedication to product innovation. It's also why Tesla was named to the Boston Consulting Group's top 10 list of the year's most innovative companies. However, as some critics have pointed out, Tesla's biggest breakthrough is the company's fundamentally new business model, not any of its individual innovations. With its ambiguous goal of transforming global transportation and energy production and consumption, it brings together fans and customers from all over the world, develops core communities of devoted fans and technology enthusiasts, and market directly to them without the use of distributors and middlemen. It also encourages a high level of customer involvement in product development and testing, invest in infra such as its network of its supercharge stations to make it easier for Tesla owners to travel longer distances, thus increasing product adoption. It diversifies product line of ease to use consumer goods that don't fit neatly into any one market or industry. So Tesla has devoted following thanks to its fan-focused innovative approach. In reality, when the Model 3 was first released, over 1 lakh customers were willing to pay a deposit to reserve one. So this reservation model not only guaranteed an active customer base in advance, but it also provided Tesla with an interest-free financing to complete the manufacturing process. So this gives the company a competitive advantage over other automakers. Tesla marketing and product launch strategies are another unusual aspect of its business model. Despite the fact that the business spends no money on ads and does not rely on major advertisers, it continues to create a frenzied interest in its good. Now Sudhanshu will take over.
Thank you, Anshul. Talking about the new customer channels and marketing, on doing research about Tesla expenses on its marketing plan campaign, our team gets shocked to see that there is no budget allocated for marketing of Tesla products. Apparently, there is no position like CMO in the company. So then the question arises that then how in the world Tesla does it marketing? Well, the answer to that is very simple in the language of Elon Musk. Our customer do marketing for us from their experience after using our products. Tesla always creates a best customer experience where they not push customers for buying of their product. That is why Tesla has the highest customer loyalty across its competitors. Elon Musk, the CEO of the company, has a very strong influence on social media, and people literally wait for his post on social media because no one knows how and when Musk is going to excite them with all of a new kind of innovation. The social media presence of Elon Musk opens up a new customer channel, that is social media, in an entirely new way. His idea of setting up a launch ceremony of Tesla's new launch recently of Cybertruck is although being inspired by Steve Jobs, but Musk certainly knows how to market his company and builds up an image of his company in the minds of the users that puts Tesla way ahead in the world of innovation. Today, our customer journey starts online, and Tesla very well knew this is why their presence in all social media does a very good job for them. Along with it, Tesla's own website is very much useful for customers to get details about the car in which they are interested. Talking about the processes, how Tesla revolutionized the automotive industry is visible to everyone now. But Tesla not only innovated the product that they are designing, but also the processes involved to make those products. I'm talking about the manufacturing phase of the building about a car. Today, when other automotive companies set different assembly lines to cut, stamp, and join the raw materials, Tesla uses only a single line to do this, and hence eliminates and save cost of production for this. Not only crunching the assembly lines, but Tesla also makes use of robots in a very efficient way. 160 robots alongside 3,000 humans engaged to do the complex task. Tesla robotics are also incredibly versatile as they can switch tools in between and among other robots armed to work efficiently and fastly. Now, I would like to invite Mukul to talk about product innovation and technology innovation.
Now, talking about the product innovation, Tesla high-tech products were one of the reasons for getting that much attention from their early customers. Roadster, which is now discontinued by Tesla, was their first product. Model S is a typical sedan with electric power engine, 4-door, and a huge touchscreen panel in the dashboard. The second product followed by Model S is Model X, which is Tesla's SUV, and then the Model 3 came, which is more luxurious than the other models. Talking about the technological innovation, since the inception of Tesla, the innovation in technology turned them into the industry's most emulated automaker. Tesla's supercharged network and over-the-air technology really created a buzz among their customers. The consumer-facing interface in the automobile industry, Tesla took it a step further and incorporated performance improvement by installing Model 3 software. That's all from our side. Thank you.